Mia, Leo, Grandma and Grandpa are here. They brought lots of good food for New Year's Eve.
Yay! Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Okay, everyone. The New Year is tomorrow. We need to decorate the house. Mia, Leo, can you help me?
Sure, Dad. What are we doing?
First, we put up the Chunlian. That means Spring Festival couplets.
Chunlian? These long red papers?
Yes, we put them on the sides of the door. The words on them are wishes for the new year. See this one? It means good luck in the year of the horse.
Wow. Can I help you stick them?
Of course. Let's go. Hold the paper steady. Be careful. Don't tear it.
Daddy, what about this? It's red too.
That's a red lantern. We hang it up. Red is a very lucky color in China. It brings good luck and happiness. Okay, the couplets are up. How does it look?
It looks beautiful. It feels like New Year now.
You know, long ago, people put these up to scare away a monster called Nian. The monster was afraid of the color red.
A monster afraid of red? That's funny.
Okay, let's go to the kitchen. We have a lot of work to do for the big dinner tonight.
Okay, everyone, time to make Jiaozi. This is the most important food for New Year.
Dumplings, my favorite. Why do we eat them on New Year?
Good question, Mia. Look at the shape. What does it look like?
It looks like a little ear?
No, it looks like an old Chinese gold ingot. It looks like money.
Yes, eating dumplings means you wish for wealth in the new year.
Oh, so we are eating money.
I want to eat money. Let me make one.
Okay, Leo, watch Mommy. Put a little filling here. Then fold it like this. Pinch it closed. Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Oh no, mine is broken.
That's okay. That's your special money bag. It's leaking. We'll eat that one first.
Mom, look at mine. I made a perfect one.
Very good, Mia. You are getting good at this. Practice makes perfect.
How many are we making?
Lots. We need enough for tonight and some for tomorrow. We stay up late tonight, so we will get hungry. All right, the dumplings are done. Let's get ready for the New Year's Eve dinner. Mia, please wash these vegetables. We are making a very special dinner. It's called the reunion dinner.
Reunion dinner? Why do we call it that?
Because families come together. Everyone comes home to eat. All of us. Mom, Dad, you, Emma, Grandma, Grandpa. We are together. That is reunion.
Oh, I see. So we are a reunion.
That's right. And look at this fish.
I see. We're having fish for dinner.
Yes, in Chinese, fish sounds like yu. It means surplus or extra. We say nian nian you yu. It means we hope you have more luck and more wealth every year.
So we eat the fish for good luck?
We eat it, but we don't finish it. We leave a little bit. That shows we will have extra next year.
That's smart. What else are we making?
We are making dumplings and chicken and many other dishes. In some places, people make 12 dishes because 12 is a lucky number. But for us, we make lots.
Mom, I'm hungry. When do we eat?
Soon, sweetie. Be patient. Good things take time. Okay, everyone, sit down. The reunion dinner is ready.
Wow, Mom, the table looks amazing. So much food.
I want that. I want the dumplings.
Wait, Leo, not yet. We have to do something first.
What do we have to do?
In many families, we say a few words of thanks or make a toast. We celebrate being together.
I have an idea. Let's all pick up our glasses. To our family, to a happy and healthy new year.
Cheers, ganbei.
Cheers,
ganbei.
Now we can eat. Mia, Leo, try the fish first. Remember what we said about the fish?
Yes, we eat fish for 年年有余, more luck every year.
Very good. Now, try this chicken. It means happiness and good fortune for the whole family.
Mom, this dumpling is the one I made. It's a little broken.
That's the special one. It has the most luck inside. Eat it up, Leo.
Mia, these dumplings you made are perfect. They didn't break when we boiled them. Good job.
Thanks, Mom. They taste better when you make them yourself.
That's right. Eating the dumplings we made together as a family, that's the real meaning of reunion.
Mom, this vegetable dish is really good. What is it?
It's stir-fried green vegetables. In Chinese, we like to have green vegetables for a fresh start. They mean a clean and fresh beginning for the year.
I'm getting full, Mommy.
You can stop when you're full, but remember, we don't finish the fish. We leave a little bit on the plate.
To show we have extra for next year.
Exactly. Now, eat slowly. There's no rush. This dinner is meant to last a long time, so we can talk and laugh together.
So, Mia, what's your wish for the new year?
I wish I can get better at English and maybe get lots of red envelopes.
Those are good wishes, and I wish everyone is happy and healthy every day.
I wish for more candy.
We'll see about that, Leo. Now, who wants more dumplings?
Me, but maybe just one. I'm saving room for dessert.
Good idea. After dinner, we have some sweet rice balls. They mean the family is sweet and together.
Yay, sweet things.
Mia, Leo, come here, please.
Yes, Grandma?
Grandma, Grandpa.
Happy New Year, our dear kids.
We have something special for you. This is Yāsuìqián, lucky money for the new year.
Yāsuìqián? What does that mean?
It's a beautiful meaning, Mia. Ya means to press down or to suppress. Sui means years, but it also sounds like a word for evil spirits or bad things. So Yāsuìqián means money that presses down the bad luck and keeps you safe.
Wow, so the red envelope protects us?
That's right. The red color scares away bad things, and the money inside is a wish for you to have a safe, healthy, and lucky new year.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you so much. I will keep it safe.
You are very welcome, our sweet kids.
Wait, you two, we're not done yet.
Mom and Dad have red envelopes for you, too.
Another one?
Of course, we are your parents. We also want to give you lucky money for the new year. We wish you good health, happiness, and lots of love in the new year.
Now I have 4 red envelopes. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
I have 4 too. I'm so rich.
You are rich in love. Now, what are you going to do with your lucky money?
I want to save most of it. Maybe for something big, like a new bicycle.
That's a wonderful idea, Mia. Saving money is a good habit.
I want to buy a big toy excavator and save the rest.
Smart kids. Save your money and you can buy something you really want.
Now put your red envelopes in a safe place. Don't lose them.
I'll put mine in my special drawer.
Me too.
Happy New Year, everyone. This is what makes our family so special, being together and sharing love. After dinner, we need to watch the Chunlian. That means the Spring Festival Gala.
What is that? A movie?
No, it's a big TV show. It has singing, dancing, comedy, and magic. The whole country watches it on New Year's Eve. It's a tradition.
Look, I have sunflower seeds and candy.
Ooh, candy.
Dad, are we going to stay up all night?
We try to. It's called Shosui. We stay up late to welcome the new year.
But you two might get sleepy. That's okay. You can take a nap and we'll wake you up for fireworks.
Good night.
Good night.
Mom, what time is it?
It's almost 12 o'clock. Midnight is almost here. Wake up, Leo. Time to go outside.
Listen, people are already starting.
We have some sparklers for you two. They are safe. And we have some big fireworks for the sky.
In the old days, people set off firecrackers to scare away evil spirits. The noise is very loud, so bad things run away.
And to scare away the monster Nian, right?
That's right, Mia. You remembered.
Wow, look at the colors. Red and gold.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year, Xinnian Kuaila.